Okay, hi guys. So today I want to make a video on a new silver coin that I bought. It was delivered today. I ordered it on Tuesday, so that was a fairly quick turnaround. I was at work, so luckily my girlfriend was in, otherwise I had to go to the sorting office to pick this up. And it is a Stephen Hawkins Silverproof 50p. These are very low mintage, 5,500 of these made. So I was very lucky to manage to get hold of one. So let's take a look at what's inside the box.
So here it is. As we can see from the packaging, this is standard. This is, I don't know what this is called. I call it Amazon style packaging. If you buy coins for the Royal Mint, this is, well, if you buy single or small amounts, this is what they come in. So let's open it up. There's the invoice. Okay, so here we go. A nice box, similar to the Gruffalo, the square box design. Innovations in science, and I believe this is the first in a series. There's going to be a few of these, possibly 3. 2019 Stephen Hawkins 50 pence coin. So let's have a look inside this. So here it comes with a booklet. Popular Science, a bit about Stephen Hawkins, A Brief History of Time. I actually did try and read this book, but it was a tough read, so I actually bought the Briefer History of Time, which is a really good book. I am quite interested in space and that sort of thing. So this opens up, and they're upside down, and there is a black hole, some explanations, a bit there about the Big Bang, etc. Here's a portrait of Stephen Hawkins, a bit about his life. So I'll take a look at that later. I'm sure that it's not really appropriate to read all that on the video. So here we go, here's the box. So this is quite a nice box. It's Royal Mint. Looks kind of, I would say, like a jewellery box, like you get a bracelet or something in. So if we open it up, there's the coin. Let's have a look at here. Let me just quickly move this. So there you go. Stephen Hawkins 2019 UK 50p silverproof coin from the Royal Mint. Now this is 3,901. Of these coins, there were 5,500 minted. The gold coin, there was 400. The pied for, I think it's pied for, there was 2,500. So that's the same as the silver 50p, but it's double the thickness. And there's also a brilliant uncirculated, but I don't think that's it's not a limited edition. Obviously, it's not going to sell it forever, but there's not a limit on it. So let's just have a quick look in this before we look at the coin. So here we have the specifications: 50 pence, issuing authority United Kingdom, alloy 0.925 silver, so that's sterling silver, weighs 8 grams. So it's a very expensive way of actually buying silver if you're not into coin collecting. Diameter 2.7.3 millimeters. A verse design is Jodie Clark, and reverse design is Edwina Ellis. This is a proof coin, and maximum mintage is 7,000. So there's 5,500 of them in this this boxed collection. So there must be another 1,500 that they're going to make, maybe to put in future sets or for different companies. Okay, so let's take a quick look at the coin. Stephen Hawkins. It's got the equation at the top. There's a depiction of a black hole now. I'm not sure how you would draw a black hole. I guess that's a fairly as good a way as any. I'm not really sure that if you didn't know this was Stephen Hawkins, you'd know that was a black hole. But I do like it. I really like this coin. Let's take a look on the other side. So, as usual with the coins that are not the regular Britannias or the Shields, I think it has the 50 pence actually written on the back. 2019 a year, Elizabeth II, and the usual stuff. You can say Jodie Clark's initials down there at the bottom. So, as I said, in this edition set, there are 5,500 of these. To put that in a bit of perspective, the Gruffalo, which I bought a few weeks ago, which also sold out straight away, had 25,000 in that edition. And the Kew Gardens, which is the 50p that everybody knows and loves because it's low mintage, had 210,000. So according to this, there will only ever be a maximum of 7,000 of these made, of which there's 5,500 in this edition. So this is a super rare coin. It's a great coin. I'm glad I got it when I did, because I'm sure these would be going for a lot more on eBay, although I'd never sell it. I'll keep it in the collection. So there you go. That's the Stephen Hawkins 50p coin. So guys, tell me what you think of that. Do you like this coin? I'm not 100% sure that is the design I would have chosen, although I do like it. I'm not... I don't work for the Royal Mint, so I don't have any say in it. But as you can see on the previous video, the way that designs are chosen. So guys, please do me a favour, give the video a thumbs up if you found this informative. If you've got anything to add, please add it below, and subscribe to the channel. I'll speak to you next time. Thanks very much. Bye.